Ready to build a custom form inside Stocky Desk? Let's dive in. From the main screen, pick your help desk, tap More, Configure, then hit Ticket Form. Scroll to Custom Fields and pop it open. On the right, every field type is waiting. Just drag in what you need. Text field, names, emails, URLs, this one does it all. Modify the field settings with label, placeholder, full width, required, searchable, multi-line, rich text. Integer field, whole numbers, nice and clean. Set up the field options with label, placeholder, width, required, searchable. Decimal field, need decimals? Grab this, it has the same controls as integer. Phone field, extra numbers, drop a phone field. Apply field settings with label, placeholder, width, required, searchable. Toggle field, yes, no, on, off, one click, done. Set the field with full width, searchable. Select field, drop downs, radios, even multi-select options for days. Fine-tune the field using these settings. Label, placeholder, options list, multi-select, width, required, searchable. Date time and date time fields, capture when things happen. Define field behavior using label, width, required, searchable. Click preview to see your masterpiece, then smash save to lock it in. That's it, your form's live and ready to collect the good stuff. Nice work. Need a tweak? Hover the tile, hit the three dots, edit or delete